India has become the first country to reach there. So it is indeed a big step for us. दोनों का सेम गोल था कि हमें साउथ पोल रीजन पे लैंड करना है. Greetings everyone. On behalf of Pathshala family, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcomes you all to our YouTube channel. Today is lecture 9 of our online CLAT marathon series for the upcoming CLAT UG 2024. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है चंद्रयान 3, a victory for India. Yes, it is indeed the victory for India, because after a smooth landing on the south pole of the moon, India has become the first country to reach there. So it is indeed a big step for us. So let's start with the topic. But before having a look particularly about Chandrayaan 3, हम start करते हैं पहले ISRO क्या है. तो पहले तो फुल फॉर्म जान लीजिए आप. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization, ठीक है. And it is basically an agency under the government space department, ठीक है. इसके चेयरमैन, द इनकम्बेंट चेयरमैन इज S. Somnath जी, and first chairman, or I would say the father of the ISRO, or under whose leadership ISRO was established in the 1960s, he was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. ओके, ठीक है. तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं चंद्रयान के बारे में. तो इंडिया में, जैसे आप जानते हैं, चंद्रयान 3, इंडिया में ऑलरेडी 2 मून के मिशन जा चुके हैं, दैट इज चंद्रयान 1 एंड चंद्रयान 2, बट दोज वर नॉट सक्सेसफुल एंड 1 वाज पार्शियली सक्सेसफुल, बट चंद्रयान 3 इज अ फुल सक्सेस फॉर अस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So, with the launch of Chandrayaan 3, Indian Space Research Organization has embarked achieving a successful soft landing on the moon. Where? South pole of the moon. South pole इसलिए particularly because generally equatorial region पे सब land करते हैं, and it is for the first time that the South pole region is being explored, and India is the first country who have reached there. So India has become the 4th country in the world to achieve this feat, joining ranks of United States, Russia and China. Now the 4th number is India. It's a huge success for us. ठीक है. And ये मैंने आपको बताया कि India has become the first country in the whole world who have landed on the South Pole region of the moon. अब हम थोड़ा चंद्रयान के बारे में जानते हैं कि how it was made and what was landed. ठीक है. तो चंद्रयान 3 इज इंडियाज 3rd लूनर मिशन, ये मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया, एंड सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट एट अचीविंग अ सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग ऑन द मून्स सरफेस, बिकॉज चंद्रयान 2 वाज आल्सो मेड फॉर इट, बट it broke down while landing, so it was not a soft landing. The mission took off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, which is in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And ये कब फ्लाई ऑफ हुआ था? इट वाज ऑन 14 जून 2023 at 2:35 PM, and the journey period for it was of 42 days. It landed on the moon on 23rd of August 2023. ठीक है. It consists of an indigenous lander module, which is known as LM, propulsion module, and a rover with an objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for the interplanetary missions. Okay. Objective क्या था चंद्रयान मिशन का? First, to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, and conducting in situ scientific experiments. Okay. The landing area has been expanded, providing flexibility to land safely within a larger designated area. The lander has been equipped with more fuel to enable longer distance travel to the landing site or alternate locations. जो चंद्रयान 3 लैंडर हैज सोलर पैनल्स हैं इस पे on 4 sides instead of only 2 in Chandrayaan 2. So there is a difference in the making of Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3. जिसका पहला तो यही हो गया कि सोलर पैनल्स इसमें 4 और 2 में सिर्फ 2 panels थे. Okay, high resolution images from Chandrayaan 2 orbiter are used to determine the landing location, and physical modifications have been made to enhance stability and sturdiness. Additionally, navigating and guidance instruments are on board Chandrayaan 3 to continuously monitor the lander speed and make the necessary corrections. Okay. अब ये तो हमें डाल दिया कि the Chandrayaan 3 was a huge success. Personally and as a nation as a whole, obviously it's a really big success for all of us. But जो इनके पहले 2 tries थे, that is Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2, we should also know a little about them because they played an equivalent role in the victory of Chandrayaan 3. Okay. कहते हैं ना कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती है, तो that is the motto for our Chandrayaan 3. Okay, तो Chandrayaan 1 के बारे में जानते हैं. It is India's lunar exploration mission, begin with Chandrayaan 1. Lunar mission in India का Chandrayaan 1 से ही शुरू हुआ था in the year 2008, which aimed to create a 3-dimensional atlas of the moon and conduct mineralogical mapping. Okay, launch vehicle का नाम इसका PSLV C11 था, and Chandrayaan 1 made significant discoveries उसने की. It was not a total failure. उसने discoveries की है, including detection of water and hydroxyl on the lunar surface. This was done by Chandrayaan 1. Okay. Chandrayaan 2 was a partial success and उसमें discoveries भी हुई हैं. ठीक है, पहले तो हम इसका कॉम्बिनेशन जान लेते हैं कि किस चीज क्या क्या था इसमें. पहले तो एक ऑर्बिटर था, एक लैंडर था, एक रोवर था. विद द गोल क्या था इसका? एक्सप्लोरिंग द लूनर साउथ पोल. इसका और चंद्रयान 3 का दोनों का सेम गोल था कि हमें साउथ पोल रीजन पे लैंड करना है. बट चंद्रयान 2 नहीं हो पाया, चंद्रयान 3 हो गया. Launch vehicle was GSLV Mk3M1. Although the lander and rover crashed on the moon's surface, the orbiter successfully collected the data and found signatures of water at all latitudes. ठीक है, तो this was the success part. And आप सोच सकते हैं जब ये इसका रोवर क्रैश हुआ होगा मून की सरफेस पर आके, that must be a huge disappointment for ISRO, for the country as a whole, but they didn't give up. Like, we shouldn't give up in a life, so we have to learn from this. Okay, yes, so that's all for today. I hope you got some minor insights about Chandrayaan 3, and it covers basically everything जो जिसमें इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पुट अप हो सकते हैं. मैंने आपको जीके पोर्शन भी बता दिया है इसका कि किसने एस्टेब्लिश किया था, हु इज द फादर ऑफ ISRO इन इंडिया. तो लाइक दैट, I hope you like the video. Please do like us, subscribers. We will be coming back with more and more legal information, legal awareness, general knowledge for you. Thank you. Have a good day.